Today is the day. Today is the day that I received my Sigma 18-35mm f1.8 in the mail. I have been manifesting and visualizing this for months now, and it's finally came to my house. Now, I couldn't be more excited to show you guys how it looks, so let's get started. Okay, so I just got the new Sigma, well, it's not really new, but it's new to me, the Sigma 18-35mm f1.8, and I am absolutely in love with it. It has buttery smooth shots, and the stabilization in camera is actually better than I thought it was going to be. But what I was going to do today is I was going to try to create some sort of idea to do a short film or a cinematic video just to test out the capability of this lens. Now, I did go to, in the previous video that you just saw, I went to a little hiking trail and I filmed like maybe 30 minutes worth of shooting. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to try and plan out some shots and go to another location and just see what I can do with this lens. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, so if you haven't noticed yet, this is probably going to be my new YouTube jacket, if you can even call it that. But anyways, this new lens that I'm recording with, the Sigma 18-35 f1.8, is just absolutely amazing. I'm going to have to start shooting with it every single day just to get used to it. I'm going to start shooting B-roll more often. Tomorrow I'm actually going to shoot a music video for some guy that hit me up asking for one, so super excited for that. Sadly, I've been sleeping for 2 hours every single day after I get off work, which is not good, and I need to stop that. I know a nap is good, but the thing is, once I take naps, it's almost like I want to go back to sleep and I'm not motivated for anything throughout the rest of the day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and comment down below. And that is pretty much it, guys. That is all that I have for you today. I wish you the best on your filmmaking and photography journey. Just remember to always stay creative and to never be satisfied. And on that note, I will catch you guys on the flip.